Hey y'all, I want to dedicate this song to one of my friends that was killed the other day in my school. This is for you. We all miss you down here. So I'm going to dedicate this song to you. Love you. Oh. Missing you. Oh, you would know that you had to go. Suddenly so fast. How could it be that sweet memories would be all that we had left? Mm. And now that you're gone, every day I go on, but life's just not the same. I'm so empty inside, and my tears I can't hide. But I try to face the pain. No, I'm missing you. I'll find a way to get through. 'Cause living without you, you were my brother, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. There were many things that we could have shared. And time was on our side. Oh yeah. Now that you're gone, I can still feel you near. But I'll smile with every tear I cry. Although I miss you, I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, 'cause you are my brother, my strength and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. How sweet was the closest of friends, but I'll wait for the day we'll see you again. See you again. I'll find a way to get through. 'Cause living without you, you are my brother, my strength and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. I'm missing you. Although I'm missing you, I'll find a way. I'll find a way to get through. My pride, only God may know why. Still I will get by. Missing you.